Hi, I'm Alexander Turnbull, Senior Stylist and Beauty Expert for René of Paris and Aderans. Today I'm going to show you a really cute look, very simple, and I'm going to do it on one of my all-time favourite wigs. This is Lennox. Now Lennox is in creamy TOFFEE-LR. LR stands for long root, so it gives you that stretched root, ombre, very on-trend, gorgeous colour. So you can see that just looks fantastic. This look is going to be great for the holidays and so much fun and very easy, little 5-minute fix to put together. Talking about the holidays, if you know that there's somebody out there that wears a wig and you're thinking, what would be a nice holiday gift? These brushes, the René of Paris brush, is amazing. Gotta show you these because I love these. This one is great for the purse. Just to pop that in your purse, pop that open. It's a fantastic little wig brush or a hairbrush. We have the wide tooth comb, which I love for detangling or putting texture in there. This is a great little comb. My wooden comb here, with this one's awesome again. Very good at wooden combs for anti-static. You don't kind of get so much static, I don't find, from a wooden comb. We've got this comb and this comb. So these are, again, little detangling combs, but they put great texture in there. So if you're stuck for a holiday gift, they're always great. First off, I'm going to come in with the René of Paris brush. I'm just going to brush Lennox through. Lennox is a lace-fronted wig, so I'm just, you can see the lace there. I'm just going to brush this back. Just be careful with the lace front. You know, don't brush right in really heavy, just nice and light. And what I tend to do is I tend to just with one finger just hold the lace down a little bit. I'm going to take a section and I'm putting the first section for the pony in there like so. We can get a little bit of height here, and so we're not actually entering too much hair just in one go. We'll just take a regular hair tie. Don't need it too tight, guys. And then just pull this so we have that one kind of band in there. I'm going to take another section, brush, section nice and clean. I'm going to bring this one section over the band and bring it up, guys, like so. I'm bringing that up over the band and just push this. So I'm just using a bobby pin. Now this is a dark bobby pin. Yes, it's blonde, but it has a dark root. So we're gripping it into the root. I'm going to lift pony up, which we've already created. And again, just going to wrap that into the middle so it all can become part of the pony. But what it does, guys, by wrapping it over, is it stops it looking so flat at the back. Again, with a nice dark bobby pin to match the roots, I'm just going to loosely grip that in place. So very loosely with the hair at the bottom, twist it up, and then gather it with the rest of the hair. Dark bobby pins to match the roots. There we have a nice little kind of up-style pony, just put together really quickly. We're now going to wrap it with some ribbon. So I'm choosing a little bit of ribbon, which was kind of festive for the holiday period. I'm taking a long length of ribbon like so. So the actual ribbon is acting like a bit more security for the hairstyle. So taking that in like so, taking that in like so, making a little bow, really simple, just to dress that up a little bit. I mean, you could even turn that into a gorgeous, nice little bun, but I quite like the hair down. I think it looks really nice. So this is Lennox with our nice little festive look, just tied a little bit of a bow in there, left the hair really free. Now the important thing is what I didn't do was I didn't make the ponytail too skinny or too small. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Be with us on YouTube. Keep following us on Instagram. We've got loads more coming up for you. From me, Alexander Turnbull, René of Paris and Aderans, happy holidays and have fun.